Can we talk about understanding the assignment? This kinky straight hair is giving what it was supposed to have gave. Oh my gosh, with this red lip, this super simple glam, and my $3 beauty supply store earrings, okay? Don't trip. You know the slay does not come to play, so make sure you keep on watching. All the way from OMGHERHAIR, this is a Glueless 360 lace frontal unit. So you have the option of wearing this up in a bun if you so choose. I decided to go in with my round brush and apply a bit of heat using my blow dryer because this unit is particularly voluminous. I know some of you really love the big hair. So if you want a more sleek look, just add a bit more heat using the blow dryer, or if you're anything like me, you can use your hot comb, and you guys will see me use the flat iron a little bit later. You should go in with your tweezers and pluck it a little bit. I want your honest feedback on how I did on the hairline, because with a unit like this, you do not want to mess it up. And yes, I told you guys a while ago I purchased this bomb flat iron. I'll have it linked in the description box. It is everything you need. It gets super hot, which is super perfect for this particular texture. And just remember, the higher the temperature, that means that the more sleek, more straight it will be. It won't have as many of those little crimps. Now, how natural looking is this? It's 150% density, so honey, it is giving all of the volume and density you need. So I went in just to create my C-shaped side part, and I also wanted to go in and just feather out the ends a bit just to freshen it up. Now, this is for the lazy girls, those of you who do not have time. Summer is coming and you don't want to spend as much time installing your unit. You want it to be quick, simple, and effective. So I'm going in with the high insta hold with my unit already positioned in place, and I'm just going to apply this spray directly to the hairline. But here's the key. You need a very small tooth comb to slick the hair down and adhere the lace. Trust me. This is for all the lazy girls who can't be bothered, but you still want a fairly easy install because, you know, you want to be able to remove it with just as much ease. And then it's super easy to go in and trim away the excess lace. Now with this hairline, I would have preferred it to not have been so straight. I feel like I did a really good job plucking, but it's incredibly straight across. So just making it look a little bit more realistic as you trim away the excess lace is a really good idea. Ooh, and to let you guys know, OMGHERHAIR, they are having a spring sale. It ends on the 11th. So this is just enough time for you guys to go in, and you can use the code SPRING. You can get up to $40 off. Like sis, they're looking out for the boys and girls, so make sure you do not miss. And as always, it's really good to use a bit of gel near the ear tabs just to make sure it stays secure. Now with my thick and heavy duty elastic band, I'm just going to apply this around the hairline. Now again, with this particular unit and this type of hairline, doing baby hairs is a must. So I took out a tiny bit and I did my adult swoops. I mean, I know I said baby hairs, but I'm giving very much adult swoops, subtle swoops, very sensitive and soft swoops, okay? And I just like to use the Invincible styling gel to do the perfect swoop. I didn't want to do too much because honestly, that's not what we're here for. That's not what we're here for. But as you guys could see, the lace on this unit is a little bit darker, so it's not necessarily transparent. So that is something to keep in mind if you do purchase this. If you are of a lighter complexion, this lace may be a little bit dark. I'm going to use that elastic band just once more to secure everything in place and give a little bit of a bump to the hair right in the front so it has that feathered, very effortless look. And what do you guys think? Like, I definitely think I did a really good job keeping it super simple. This is a gorgeous look. Even in like a 16 or 18 inch, you would still slay. It's so gorgeous. It's so thick. I felt super glam, very sexy. You can even slay this in the spring, so do not sleep. And with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in Toffee, this is their stick foundation. I'm going to use this and apply it in the area of the parting space. With the part, I just wanted to deepen it and make it look a little bit more realistic and make it pop. This is the perfect foundation. I'm telling you right now, it's at the drugstore, says $7. It can make all the difference. But luckily this unit does have pre-bleached knots. So how do you think I did? Definitely let me know. Be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, kiki with me in the comments, share with your homeboys and your homegirls, and don't forget to check out OMG Her Hair because they're doing big things with their spring sale. Thank you, and I hope to see you in the next one.